IAM, Identity and Access Management. Julius Bär is the international reference in private banking, based on a solid Swiss heritage. For employees to be able to work seamlessly and without unnecessary hurdles, they must each be granted appropriate access rights for the data they need. Right now, our information assets are protected by a strong security barrier, a sort of fortress between us and the outside world. But once someone is inside that fortress, it's significantly easier for them to circumvent security measures and exploit existing weaknesses. Until now, access rights have been assigned manually after going through various stages of approval, and this can take a while. The process is complicated, time-consuming, expensive, error-prone, or even subject to abuse if rights are assigned by mistake or not revoked in time. The challenge of assigning appropriate access rights is something we encounter everywhere in our daily working lives. A new employee joins the company and needs their own specific access rights. An employee switches to a different department. The old rights need to be revoked and new ones need to be assigned. An employee leaves the company. Their access rights must be revoked without delay. External staff, such as consultants or trainers, can only be assigned temporary rights. In the event of extensive organizational changes, rights must be issued or revoked en masse in one stroke. New cloud technologies also pose a great challenge. This data needs to be accessible from anywhere, which demands a new and sustainable approach to managing access rights. This also reduces the work required for audit and review processes. The new IAM system means all relevant data is visible at a glance. This makes auditing activities much more efficient, and they will no longer need to be carried out so frequently. We need to modernize and automate our rights management system in order to cope with the increasing demands of a digitalized world and to keep our business data properly protected in the longer term. The goal of our Identity and Access Management System, or IAM for short, is that access rights will be managed in such a way that everyone only has access to the files they need for their daily work, thus increasing the overall security of our data. IAM automates the management of access rights. Rights are centrally controlled and audited. IAM ensures every employee is given clear and appropriate access rights. Idle time due to employees not having the access rights they need will be eliminated. IAM, Identity and Access Management.